Hello and welcome to this quick tips video, which is about using the Alt key. So this is known as the Option key on the Mac, although on my MacBook's keyboard it says Alt on the key as well. So hopefully you can work that out. Anyway, this is useful in a number of contexts. So there's going to be a few videos about using this modifier key, but this is the first, and we're going to be using the scissors. So if we grab the scissors from the toolbar, I'm sure know that you can cut parts up by clicking on them with the scissors, parts, events, etc., all of those kind of things. But if you hold down the Alt key as you do it, it will cut it up into whatever size segments you make your first cut will be cut repeatedly. So here, if I cut here to make a 4-bar long segment, it does all the rest of them like that. If I do it in twos, it does them like that. It's really useful when you import a MIDI file and you end up like this with a long part. You can cut it up into segments that then you can start manipulating. It doesn't just work for parts though. So for instance here, if we find a long note like this one, we can do exactly the same by holding down the Alt key, and you see here, makes that length. If I do it here, it makes that length. And if I turn snap off or set it to an unusual value, I can cut it at any length and end up with some polyrhythmic experimentation. So you can do that without having to play around with the time warp tool or any other manipulation, that kind of thing. As ever, hope you found that useful, and we'll see you again soon for more Music Tech Tuition.